Now it's time to practice these two suffixes. On this side of your slide, you are going to type in the suffix ER to the ends of these words and then read them out loud to yourself. Here are the base words. My turn, your turn. Farm, play, lead, own. So here's an example. I put my cursor right there next to the M. I type in ER and then I read the word to myself. Farmer. Now you say it. Then I do the same thing over here but with OR. So I type in OR to these root words or base words they're called, and then I say them and read them to myself. So these are the base words. My turn, your turn. Sail, visit, invent, instruct. So I put my cursor, for example, right here next to the L and I put an OR and then I read it. Sailor. When you are done with all 8 of the words, typing in the suffixes and reading them to yourself, then press the X and press the blue turn in button to be done with your phonics lesson for today.